Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. This video is particularly recorded at the evening. As you can see from my screen, you can see that we are in 8:11 p.m. Actually, this is the time, most of the time this is the time I recorded my videos because I would not like any sound, any background sound to occur on the recording. So guys, just watch me as I will be creating a tone paper effect on the design. As you can see from this example that I said I want to create for you guys to teach you how you can create a tone paper effect on an image. As you can see, this one is an example of what I will be teaching you in this particular video. So guys, so first thing you need to do is to go to your browser. You can either use Chrome browser, you can use your Opera browser, any kind of the browser that you have on your phone, you can use it. Just go to your search bar and type tone paper as you can see from the screen right here. So now what you need to do to get the kind of the paper you want to use is to click on the image. So these are the images and the list of the tone papers that is available on Google. It is not limited to this. You can scroll down and down when you reach the last part and you have not seen the one you want, so you can click on the next icon or the next button at the bottom side of this Google page. So now actually for us to get the kind of the effect we want to use, we can select this type and see if we can see another related effect. As you can see from here, this is another related tone paper effect. So let's click on this. Let's choose this one. Okay, scroll up and let's download this paper effect. So you can click on the image and click on this download button. So we have now successfully downloaded this image. Let's check whether it has been downloaded or not. So you can see that the paper has been downloaded. Now as you can see from here, you can see that this tone paper effect is having a white background. So what we need to do is to make sure that we remove the background first. If you have not been able to remove a background of a picture or of any images, you can check my YouTube channel or check my Telegram channel and watch the video on how you can remove a background of any image. So guys, let's move forward. So guys, let's go and select our background remover software. So in this particular video, I'll be using Photo Room. So click on the Photo Room. If you don't have the Photo Room app on your mobile device, you can check it on our Telegram channel to download this particular software app. So click on Start from Photo. So go to Files. Okay, let's see this. I think this is actually great. So next thing we need to do is to click on this transparent button here, this transparent text, transparent. So select this transparent and click on it. So this is how you can remove the background of an image, as you can see, as we did in this area. So click on export, click on save to gallery. So voila, we have successfully removed the background of this particular image. So just click on done. Then you can now go back. Alright guys, so what we need to do now is to open our Pixel app. So once you open your Pixel app, then bring in the image you want to use the tone paper effect. So guys, just click, assuming we want to use this picture, just click on this picture, click OK. So come to the relative size and drag it to the edge, making 100%. I think this is all. So now guys, what we need to do from here is to check the color effect of this image. Then just come to color features, then come to saturation and drag the saturation to the edge, to the last number, which is 100, as you can see. So click OK. So now what we need to do here is to ensure that we save this image. Save it as image. Click on save to gallery. So now we have done this. So what we need to do right now is to undo this process, or we go back to the color features and drag the saturation again to 0, to where it is 0. Yes, I think this is okay. 0. Okay, good, right? So now what we need to do from here is that we need to lock this image. So click on this lock icon. As you can see, this padlock. So click on it to lock it. Okay, now we have locked the image. Now the image is not movable now. That is the benefits of the padlock, so that the image will not be movable. So now what we need to do now is to bring in our thumb paper effect. So click on the import, then click on the thumb paper effect that we have just done. We have removed the background from it. So now click OK. So now we need to place this paper where we need it to appear. Exactly where we need this to appear. Assuming we want it this way. Assuming we want it this way. So you get, guys. So that I think this is perfect right now. So now what we need to do from here is that we need to make sure that this image we make sure that the image is not showing. So we click on this eye icon. Let me show you guys. Click on this eye icon of this image so that the image will be hiding. So we need to hide it. So click on it. So we have hide the image. So now what we need to do from here is that, now let's go back, then come here to make sure that the background is transparent. So just click on this icon to make sure that the background is transparent. So click on this toolbar from the bottom side. So click on it, that is the background icon. So click on it and come to transparent. You can see that we have made the background of this thumb paper to be transparent. Now what we need to do next now is to make sure that we save the image. So just click on this icon at the top right. So click on it to save this thumb paper effect. So once you save it, then what we need to do now is that we need to make sure that we return the background to that white color. So select white. So now what we need to do from here is that this one you can delete or hide it also. So I've deleted it, so that the image that we hide, we need to make it that it appears again. So that's it. So now what we need to do next now is to make sure that we bring in our thumb paper effect that we have just edited. So bring it out, then click OK. So in order for this thumb paper effect to remain where it was placed initially, so we need to come to this relative size. Let me show you guys again to be able to identify the tools as I'm mentioning their name. That is the relative size. So click on it, then increase it to 100. That is perfect, guys. So now what we need to do now is to make sure that this is to make sure that we place the texture, we place the image, that we change the color, that is the saturation. We make sure that we place it on a texture. So click on the texture button. Let me show you guys again. This is the texture button. So guys, click on it, tap on the image icon, to bring in the image as a texture. So tap on it, as you can see, then click OK. Now you can see that we have successfully created a thumb paper effect, just as the sample I show you. Let me bring in the sample so that I can see if there's any difference from it. So let me lock this shape also. Then let me bring in the sample, our sample, if it is actually what we decided to teach in this tutorial. As you can see that it actually shows that it is the same. So guys, if you actually learned something from this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe on this channel. Please don't forget to share this video so that you can help others that are actually need something like this. So guys, as you can see, it is very simple to do so, and I wish you best of luck. If you need more tutorials, you can send me a request and I will work on it for you. So guys, I love you guys.